All right, for all of you 2024 F-150 guys, you're thinking about Whipple in your truck. Well, today we're going to show you what you can expect from that bone stock truck other than the Whipple 2024 F-150. We're down here at the horsepower factory. We're going to see just what kind of power you can expect from just bolting on the blower. Let's go. All right, so as far as the truck goes, obviously being a 2024, stock exhaust, catback, so completely stock engine other than the 3-liter Whipple. This does have the 3.75 pulley on it, not the 3.875. Pump 93, pretty simple. All right guys, so there you go, 2024 F-150 with only a Whipple Stage 2 and a catback exhaust system. That's the kind of power you expect. Pretty freaking impressive, I gotta say, for a bone stock engine. The second pull we did add some octane booster, and it seems like the third pull it really got into the fuel system really well. So obviously the more octane you can put to these things, the better. And obviously with headers, high flow cats, all of that kind of stuff, and tuning when these 24s can be unlocked is going to yield you quite a bit more power. But for being on a stock Whipple tune through stock exhaust, pretty impressive and a whole lot of fun on the street. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.